You've probably heard business coaches say things like, cutting out your lattes isn't going to suddenly increase your savings account. Instead, I want you to focus on earning more. Well, they're not wrong. Cutting out lattes isn't going to suddenly increase your savings account, but just because it's not going to happen overnight doesn't mean it isn't worth doing. Cutting out those lattes, just like reducing or eliminating unnecessary business expenses, might be a good idea, especially if you're struggling with cash flow. Now, for the record, I want to say that I love business coaches and I have one of my own. But as a financial consultant, I want to assure you that understanding and controlling your costs and striving to earn more revenue are not mutually exclusive. We have been taught that bigger is better, that selling more is the main objective, and that at a certain point, all of that revenue will result in profit. But that's actually not true. If you have $1 million in sales, but you have $1 million expenses, then hitting that sales goal doesn't mean anything. We have all heard stories of startups, right? With big funding and big sales numbers that never turn a profit. These stories are not uncommon. I got into this work because I kept seeing stories of emerging food brands with amazing products and ravenous fans forced to close their doors because they couldn't get the numbers to work. I have an argument for making your business better and then making it bigger, because big revenue does not equal business longevity. What does produce business longevity is consistent profitability and financial sustainability. And that comes from understanding your numbers and controlling your costs today and as you grow. If you are ready to take the next steps toward understanding your numbers, gaining confidence in your financial decision making, and achieving consistent profitability, I invite you to join me in my free masterclass where I teach my 3-step profitability framework. I am really excited about it and I hope to see you there.